有请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the Hakka Song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got music from Huang Zixuan, who's been nominated for the Golden Melody Award for Best Hakka Album, and the album is New Soul. Now, this song that you're going to hear right now is Chu Long, which is kind of a play on the word chill long in English, right? It sounds like it, Chu Long. And this is a song that centers around him during COVID time when he missed all that sunshine at the Hunchun Peninsula and the waves rising and falling with the wind. And so he uses this song to illustrate the close bond between loved ones like travelers unable to leave the waves, letting listeners feel the warmth of creation in the flow of sound and language. Let's take a listen to Chu Long.
Surfing in my room with my imagination. Show me in the morning chung là mong tung ga long Động theo sóng hay cao suy Động theo cái xin Trao lối trao hi Flow up and down Xoay muốn thế yêu hồng hi Ngài thinh số nan sư biến rồi ít theo thủy Buồn sao hay anh yêu mình Nào kinh ôn sẽ cả ý kim mô na gì Trong ý chill long I wanna be chill out the everlasting sunshine Trong ý chill like the wave coming, bikini on me, showing you. I wanna be chill out on the everlasting sunshine, showing you. Just like the wave coming, bikini on me.
这首歌呢是黄子轩的 Chu Long。Chu 呢在客语中的意思就是游来游去的游，但是跟英文的发音 chill 又很相近。他用这种巧妙的方式来比喻无法离开所爱，就如同浪人无法离开浪一样，引领听者呢在声音语言的流动中感受创作的温度。在这边恭喜黄子轩入围今年金曲奖最佳客语专辑奖 ，Congratulations for his nomination. Again, he is 黄子轩 and I am Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.